Welcome to the Health Collective, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. We're committed to equipping you with valuable insights and advice that can transform your health journey. Today, we're shedding light on a topic that's often overlooked: nerve health. Specifically, we're diving into the world of 5 powerful vitamins that can help protect you from nerve damage. These vitamins play an essential role in maintaining the health of your nervous system, which is critical for everything from movement and sensation to cognition and mood. If you've ever experienced tingling, numbness, or even pain in your hands or feet, you'll know just how important nerve health is. We'll be exploring each vitamin in detail, discussing their benefits, how they work, and where you can find them. So, whether you're curious about nerve health or simply looking to enhance your overall well-being, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to learn more about these essential vitamins and their impact on your nerve health. First on our list is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This isn't just a random name on a bottle in your medicine cabinet. It's a key player in your body's nerve health. Known as the nerve vitamin, thiamine plays a vital role in nerve function and protection from damage. Let's delve a bit deeper. Thiamine helps in the production of myelin, a protective sheath that covers nerves. Without sufficient myelin, our nerves would be left vulnerable, potentially leading to nerve damage. Moreover, thiamine aids in the proper transmission of nerve signals. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that every nerve cell plays its part at the right time and volume. But that's not all. Thiamine also helps convert food into energy. It's like the fuel for your body's engine, keeping you energized and running smoothly. So if you're feeling a bit sluggish, a lack of vitamin B1 could be the culprit. Now, you might be wondering, where can I get this nerve-protecting, energy-boosting vitamin? Well, thiamine can be found in a variety of foods. Meat lovers can find it in pork and fish, while grain enthusiasts can get their fill from whole grains, rice, and bread. Even legumes and nuts are packed with this essential vitamin. But remember, it's not just about eating these foods. It's about eating the right amounts to meet the recommended daily intake. For adult men, it's about 1.2 milligrams per day, and for adult women, it's 1.1 milligrams. And for expectant mothers, it's up to 1.4 milligrams per day. However, while it's important to ensure you're getting enough thiamine, it's also crucial not to go overboard. Too much of any vitamin can lead to unwanted side effects. So, it's all about balance. Remember, a deficiency in vitamin B1 could lead to nerve damage, so ensure you're getting enough in your diet. It's your first line of defense in protecting your nerves and maintaining overall health. Stay tuned as we delve into more nerve-protecting vitamins on our list. Scene script. Next, we have vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, another vital nutrient for your nerves. Vitamin B6 doesn't just play a supporting role in your body's health. It's a superstar when it comes to maintaining nerve health. It's a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in the body's nerve communication. How does it do that? Well, it's all about neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that carry, boost, and balance signals between neurons and other cells in the body. Vitamin B6 is instrumental in their production. It helps create neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine, which transmit signals in the brain. But that's not all. Vitamin B6 also helps reduce inflammation in the nerves. Chronic inflammation can lead to nerve damage, causing pain and numbness. By reducing inflammation, vitamin B6 helps protect your nerves, ensuring that they function properly. So, where can you find this essential vitamin? Vitamin B6 is abundant in a variety of foods. You can find it in fish, such as salmon and tuna, and in poultry like chicken and turkey. It's also present in starchy vegetables like potatoes and in non-citrus fruits like bananas. Fortified cereals are another great source of vitamin B6. The question then is, how much vitamin B6 should you be taking? The recommended daily intake differs depending on age, sex, and life stage. For most adults, the recommended daily intake is around 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams. Pregnant and breastfeeding women may require slightly more. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the right amount for you. One thing to note is that while it's crucial to ensure you're getting enough vitamin B6, too much of it can also cause problems. Excessive amounts can lead to nerve damage, causing numbness and muscle weakness. So, it's all about balance. Keeping your vitamin B6 levels in check can significantly help in maintaining healthy nerves. Another key player in nerve health is vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. This powerhouse vitamin is essential in maintaining the health of our nerve cells. But how exactly does it do this? Well, it's all about the myelin. Myelin is a protective layer that surrounds our nerves, much like insulation around a wire. Myelin helps in the efficient transmission of electrical impulses along the nerves and prevents these impulses from getting lost. Essentially, it helps our nervous system function smoothly. Now here's where vitamin B12 comes into play. This vitamin is crucial in the production and maintenance of myelin. Without sufficient vitamin B12, myelin production can be compromised, leading to various nerve-related issues. In fact, a deficiency in vitamin B12 can cause symptoms such as numbness and tingling in the hands and feet, balance issues, and even memory loss. So, where can we find this essential vitamin? Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include beef liver, clams, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. For those who follow a plant-based diet, fortified cereals and plant milks, as well as nutritional yeast, are good sources of vitamin B12. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B12 varies depending on age, dietary habits, and certain health conditions. However, for an average adult, it's typically recommended to take about 2.5 micrograms per day. But remember, everyone is unique, and dietary needs can vary greatly from person to person. If you're concerned about your vitamin B12 intake or experiencing any nerve-related symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and, if necessary, recommend a suitable supplement. So there you have it, vitamin B12, a vital nutrient for our nerves. It's all about keeping that myelin healthy and ensuring our nerves can do their job effectively. Ensure you're not missing out on vitamin B12 to keep your nerves healthy and functioning properly. Now, let's talk about vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. This vitamin is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to safeguarding your nerves. Vitamin E is often hailed as a champion of nerve protection due to its potent antioxidant properties. But what does this mean exactly? Well, our bodies constantly generate what are known as free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can cause harm if their levels become too high. They're a natural byproduct of everyday functions like breathing and digesting, but they can also result from exposure to environmental factors like tobacco smoke and radiation. Now here's where vitamin E comes into play. As an antioxidant, it has the ability to neutralize these free radicals, thereby preventing them from causing widespread cellular damage. This is particularly important for nerve cells, which are highly susceptible to the harmful effects of free radicals. By neutralizing these potentially damaging molecules, vitamin E helps to maintain the health and integrity of your nerves. So where can you find this mighty antioxidant? Vitamin E is found naturally in many foods: nuts and seeds, spinach and broccoli, and even tropical fruits like kiwi and mango are all excellent sources. Vegetable oils like wheat germ, sunflower, and safflower oils are among the best sources. As for the recommended daily intake, the National Institutes of Health suggests 15 milligrams for adults. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or vitamin intake. It's also worth noting that vitamin E is fat-soluble, meaning it gets stored in your body's fat tissues. This means you don't need to consume it every day. However, it's still important to ensure you're getting enough over time to reap its nerve-protecting benefits. Incorporating vitamin E into your diet can significantly help in shielding your nerves from damage. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, consider reaching for some vitamin E-rich foods. Your nerves will thank you. So, those were the 5 powerful vitamins that can help protect your nerves from damage. Let's do a quick recap. We talked about vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, which plays a crucial role in nerve function and energy production. We also discussed vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, which is vital in the production of neurotransmitters, the body's communication system. Next, we covered vitamin B12, cobalamin, that aids in maintaining the health of your nerve cells and the formation of red blood cells. Lastly, we shed light on vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that can protect your cells, including nerve cells, from damage caused by free radicals. Each of these vitamins plays a unique and essential role in maintaining nerve health and protecting them from potential damage. Incorporating them into your diet can make a significant difference to your overall nerve health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Health Collective for more health and wellness tips. Here's to your health.